everybody, welcome back to Now Pursuit.
We are going on another day date.
Day date.
Yes, and we are not alone this time, and we're a double day date.
I just want to show you guys my favorite person in the world.
Nala!
And we also have Uncle Samisi, Auntie Ashley, and that's Nala over there.
And I cut my hair. We're venturing here in Bigfork, Montana on the Swan River Nature Trail. So come journey with us and I hope you enjoy. So you guys have seen many of our videos and we're always ill prepared. This is how you're supposed to look when you're hiking. Backpack, hiking boots. I got my sandals, but they are hiking sandals. Water pack.
Camelback. Camelback. Bear spray with the safety.
Bear spray with the safety. So last time there wasn't a safety. No, I think it came off. Safety. This trail is considered easy. There's a bike rack. There's a bathroom. And then there's like little trails that venture off.
Easy.
How's it look up there? I guess I'm gonna follow him, so. What if I saw a bear? I don't have bear spray this time. And then he's already down there. We are at the 1.5 mark. It's a 2-mile hike that way, and a 2-mile hike obviously back. So in Montana, you can get a permit to go cut down your own Christmas tree. Maybe we'll be doing that one year.
For $5. You get a 20-foot tree for $5.
I'd say that's a steal of a deal. The trail ended back there. There was a gate, but it leads to another parking lot, possibly.
Yeah, salad.
Salad? Do you want
Yeah,
apple?
salad. I got apples.
Why do you have pho in there?
It's just a fun container.
It's a container.
Oh, I was like,
Bam. Fruit.
oh.
So I don't have a water backpack like everybody, so I put my water bottle in my backpack to make it work. My snacks are in here, and I'm always eating pistachios. Here we go. Pistachios. We packed a light snack. We're gonna go eat. We're here at Taco Mexico restaurant, and we're about to eat. So if you want a really simple trail to go for a run, walk your dog, take a walk, come to Swan River Nature Trail. Thank you so much, you guys, for journeying with us, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I'm gonna eat now, and we'll see you at our next video. Bye.